I wanted to give you guys an idea what's here. So here's I'm on the first floor. Here's the bathroom. Guys, got some extra hooks, shelf, another shelf in the hallway, and there I'm looking at the front door. So this is from the garage. I came in, and there's a couple beds in here ready to go, a couple of desks. Windows have blinds on them, so you don't have to worry about that. Each of you have a nightstand, and we've got fans. You've got a hook on that wall, a hook behind the door, and you've got a decent sized closet to fill any way you wish. The other thing I wanted to point out is under the beds, I believe they're 14 inches. So if you wanted to get containers to put under there, and I will double check that. Ask me if you need to know. I can double check that. So here's the hallway, there's the front door. There we go. So front door, we've got 2 locks in here now. You guys are gonna have a lot of keys. It's just the way it turned out. There's the top lock is a separate key from this one. And this one here matches the bottom of the back door. So this is the same as the digital lock that I just showed you, and this top one will have another key. We'll go up the stairs, got a mirror, and here we go. You are lucky guys, I tell you. This kitchen's awesome. Has a lot of room. You've got the refrigerator, has ice maker. You can get water out of there. We have some things in here you're welcome to. There's water bottles, just trying to keep the refrigerator cold really. There's a few things in the freezer. Oven, microwave, 2 microwaves. Dishwasher, we can go through this. There's also you've got 2 cans, one for recycling, one for regular trash. I recommend you guys take it out at least every other day. I noted on here, no grease in the drain. We gotta stick to that, or we'll have troubles with the garbage disposal. There you go, got a little bit of a view. There's the street there, that's Rome. Lemon is the street that comes off of our garage area. And then Rome is the adjacent one where the car just went by. So Rome and Lemon is what you want to aim for when you're coming in. Got a place for a TV. There's 2 gaming chairs. Gaming chairs have some pretty good speakers to them. We've tried those out. Here your Wi-Fi is connected. The password is right there on the side. It's also on the refrigerator. Got a couple of bar stools there, a little table. Trying to think what else to point out to you. Oh, we got a huge conference table. So we'll have plenty of room to spread out your papers, because we want everybody doing well. Here we go upstairs. Another mirror, make sure you guys all look pretty going out the door. Ben's room. Ben's room is not so pretty right now. Washer and dryer. Pretty good shape here. Evan and Adam, these are the 2 this is the bathroom you'll be sharing. I've got fans, occupancy fans that are going to go on, so they'll go on automatically. Again, in Florida, the humidity is a real problem. So we want to make sure all moisture is removed. We've got a queen size bed. Your beds are a little further off the ground. I believe it's 17 inches. I can check that one too. Nightstand, desk, closet. I don't know what you can see there. And some hooks to hang your stuff. Next room. Again, this is either Adam or Evan. We've got the same setup, queen bed, nightstand, desk chair, and the closet. Same deal with the fan. Fan light. So let's see, and you're still a good probably 17 inches off the ground again. If you want to put something underneath there, there's a lot of space. think that about does it. So here's a third floor bath again. Washer and dryer. Behind this washer and dryer, by the way, there's another little closet. There you go. Put your stuff in there. There's an ironing board here. I'm gonna shut off my lights. I'll have to come up again. We are about ready to get out the door. Oops. Okay, so back in the kitchen. I hope that helps you out in some way. I guess I can show you that we also have silverware for you to use. There's some towels. For the most part, you've got your basics here. I've got 5 plates and whatever's in the dishwasher. There's a fry pan here. That fry pan only takes just no olive oil in that fry pan. For some reason, they said you're not allowed to do that. Trash cans. I think you're good. What else? Toasters here. All right, look forward to seeing you in August, guys.